Before what you're about to see, I have passed out a potato chip display chart to students. I passed out the plain, the barbecue and sour cream and onion chips. I had the students to place the proper chip on the potato chip display chart. Once everyone has been served, the students were able to eat. After a few minutes, I then asked them how did it taste and what did they think of the chips. After a few minutes, I asked them for some words to describe how they taste. Some said to me,
salty, crunchy, icy, like barbecue sauce. Onion taste.
Again, I reminded them to think about which chip was their favorite. Then I had the kids, they had to wipe their hands and write on the potato chip display chart their favorite. And after that, the students came to the board and put a tally mark next to their favorite chip. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today's lesson's title is My Favorite Potato Chips. And the aim is the students will be able to use a bar graph to display information. Also, the students will be able to solve mathematical equations using the bar graph. So we just ate all of those delicious potato chips.
Yum.
And we have a display written of who likes what potato chips. So we have 3 students like plain, 4 students like barbecue, and 1 student like sour cream. So we're going to take all of this information that we have here and we're going to create a bar graph. So bar graph for 3 students. Okay. Wow. And we have 4 students who enjoyed barbecue the most. Go all the way up to the 4. And we're going to fill it in, to shade it in, to say that's how many enjoyed 4 barbecue. They were good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have just 1 student who enjoyed sour cream and onion.
That was me.
Okay, so we're going to take this to the 1. See the 1 there? And we're going to draw it over. And we're going to shade that in. All right, this was great. So now, as you can see, we have the information written in a bar form. So now we need to know how many potato chips are there in all. Can we count? So we have 3 here, we have 4 here and 1. So we're going to add 3 plus 4, how much is that?
7,
7. And if we add 1 more, how much is that?
8.
Great. So we have 8 chips in total. We're going to write that right there, okay? And then we need to know how many more, keyword is more, barbecue potato chips are there than sour cream potato chips. Remember the word more.
To use subtraction.
More means subtraction. Absolutely. Great, great. Okay, so we have to go find the potato chips, barbecue potato chips, and we have how many?
4.
4. Okay, we're going to write 4 here. And we need to know how many more are there for sour cream than sour cream. How many do we have for sour cream?
It's 1.
1. Okay. We'll put the subtraction
Minus
sign.
3.
It's 3. Great. Thank you. And our last question is, based on the total data, which potato chip is the student favorite? How can we figure out which one is the favorite?
It's barbecue because it's the most one.
It's barbecue because it is the most, right? It is the tallest, it's the most.
Yeah.
So barbecue is the favorite. And that is 4. Okay? Okay, I should have written 4 here. Does anyone have any questions?
Pick me.
Yahira, what's your question?
You spell barbecue wrong.
Don't tell the teacher that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Barbecue. Thank you, Yahira.
You're welcome.
Okay. BARBEQUE. Thanks, Yahira.
You're welcome.
Okay, is there any other questions about how we did this? Okay.
Can I have some more potato chip?
Okay, we will have more potato chips after we finish this lesson. So I'm going to give you an activity to see if you completely understand what we have just done on the board. I'm going to give you an activity for you to graph your own chips. They're not going to be potato chips. They're going to be plastic chips where you're going to have to see how many yellows do you have, how many orange do you have, and how many blues. And you're going to be making your own bar graph, and the chauffeur is going to walk around to see if you are doing it correctly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
All right, thanks.